Hi, I'm Phil Davenport with Just Water, and I'm here today to talk about our high country filtering bag. And what it is a 4-gallon bag that you can hang, and inside of it will be a 2 by 10 inch ceramic filter. It's just like our 4x4 filter, except it's a slightly different configuration. It's a 0.2 micron filter. Also, you'll get a sock, or what's called a pre-filter, and this simply filters out most of the larger particulates that are in your water. Also, you'll have an extra washer, and then an elbow connection, and then some vinyl tubing that directs the water to whatever you're holding your filtered water in. The first thing that you want to do once you have your high country filtering bag is you want to turn this inside out and hang it up outside somewhere and let it air out for about 1 day. This has, because it's new material, has a vinyl smell, and you're trying to get rid of that so you don't pick that smell up in your water. Once it's been out in a day, then you can turn it right side out and then build your filter. You receive your filtering bag, it will not have been assembled, and so I want to show you today how to assemble your watering bag. What you'll do is you'll take your 2 by 10 filter out of the box and take the wing nut off, and there will be one washer on this, and what you want to do then is insert the filter into the sock and push it all the way on, and it's fairly tight, so this is the way it's going to go into the bag. Once you've assembled your filter there, what you want to do is locate where the hole in the bottom of the bag is, and right here in this bottom corner is a heat sealed washer, and that's where your filter stem is going to go through. Okay, once you've got the sock onto your filter, then you want to insert this into the bag. And at the bottom of the bag, down here in the center on the inside, there's a large loop. And what that's for is for you to stick your filter down in through that loop and then out the wall of the bag. That loop simply prevents the filter from rising up very much when you fill it with water. Okay, I've removed the washer from the filter, and I'm going to use this larger washer on the filter on the inside of the bag. So I'm going to insert the filter through the opening, and then I'll attach the smaller washer and then the elbow connection. Remember to run your filter through the loop in the bottom of the bag. Again, that prevents the filter from rising up too much and putting some strain here on this. So all I'm doing is tightening this filter up, holding onto the base of the filter, and turn this, and then I'm ready to attach my tubing. Tubing goes on there. And I've now assembled my bag. Now you're ready to hang this bag, fill it with water, and this will hold approximately 4 gallons of water, and it will give you approximately 60 gallons of water per day. Once you start using your water bag, depending upon how dirty your water is, eventually you'll see a decrease in your water production. And when you start, and you have to be the one to kind of decide this, but at some point you're going to want to stop, disassemble this water bag, and clean the filter. And really all you do is take your connection off, take the filter out, take the sock off, and then use a slightly abrasive pad to scrub down the surface of the filter. Rinse it off with water, put your sock back on, and then reassemble it. One important thing is to be careful and not get contaminated water up inside of that stem of that filter or up inside the filter. One other thing that comes with your high country filtering bag is a piece of Velcro. And that Velcro is used to wrap around your water bag, so when you're traveling, it's in one small bundle. And the easiest way is to start at the end that's got the filter, roll that bag up till you get to where these pipe supports are, and then simply wrap the Velcro around your bag, and it's ready to go. To prevent losing this Velcro, once you take it apart and you're hanging it, take that Velcro and wrap around one of the hanging cords, and that way you're fairly sure that you're not going to lose that piece of Velcro. Okay, in review, I talked about revert before you use this bag, pulling the bag inside out and let it air out for about 1 day out in the sun. Just hang it up. That's going to get rid of that heavy vinyl smell, which does cause your water to have a peculiar taste until that goes away. Then I also talked about the parts of the high country filtering bag, which is going to be your ceramic filter down here with the sock, also your extra washer, and then this elbow connection and your tubing, and then your vinyl bag. And then I also talked about assembling this, and what you'll find is that when you first start using it, you'll get a little bit of charcoal dust coming out of the filter, and that's as water saturates the ceramic filter and the charcoal. You'll get a little bit of that. You can either refilter that or just throw that away. It's not harmful. But once this starts filtering at full strength, you should get about 60 gallons a day.